Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Pre-Workout, full guide. Start with 1 scoop mixed in 8 to 12 ounces of cold water and assess tolerance immediately. Time your dose 20 to 30 minutes before exercise to hit peak energy when your workout begins. Stay hydrated, avoid stacking stimulants, and consider half a scoop if sensitive. Always follow label directions and seek professional advice for personal concerns. Measure doses precisely with the included scoop and never exceed the label recommendations to reduce risk. Mix powder thoroughly in cold water for consistent flavor and easier digestion during training. Start with a lower dose to test tolerance, especially if you use caffeine from other sources. Allow 20 to 30 minutes for onset so timing matches your warm-up. Follow with a balanced meal post-workout for recovery and energy replacement. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more content. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a clever helper that uses voice control to clean floors while you recover from tough workouts. It saves time so you can relax or prep meals without missing gains. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always check ingredient labels for stimulants and total caffeine to avoid excessive intake. Avoid combining Ghost Pre-Workout with other caffeinated supplements or energy drinks to reduce adverse effects. If you have cardiovascular issues, high blood pressure, or take medications, consult a healthcare provider before use. Monitor for side effects such as nausea, tingling, or rapid heartbeat and discontinue if they occur. Store safely and keep out of reach of children.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.